So the thing we're talking about that this two our what package is used for. One package is used for event handling and another was used for the swing. So then we created what? Then we created an class of username class, that is swing one. And in this class, what we have done? We have done creating a what? This is the constructor. So this is the constructor of the swing class, which we used as a user-defined swing class. So inside this constructor, we have seen that first we have created the frame. First, we have created the frame Jframe f equal to new frame. Then what it is means the frame is created. Here in our swing, we use the name frame instead of Jframe. So Jframe f equal to new Jframe means the frame is created. And then button J button B1 equal to new J button. And the button level will be click. So the button is also created. Button J button class object is created, which is named as J button, and it is the level is sent as the click. Okay, the level of the button will be click. Then what we are doing? We are B1. B1 is the object of the J button class. Through the object of the J button class, what we are calling set bound method. Now, what this set bound method will do? We are calling it with the J button class object. So that means what? The button position. The position of the button will be fixed. The position of the specify the position of the button. The button's position will be specified by this set bound method. And in set bound method, you can see the 4 parameter is sending. What is this 4 parameter? If you look this 4 parameter, what are these 4 parameters? This is the x1, this is the y1, this is the x2, this is the y2. So 4 parameters are passing. 4 parameters we are passing the 4 parameters. And what this set bound method will do? This set bound method we are calling it to the J button object. So we are calling it to the J button object. That means our button, our position of the button will be fixed. Our position of the button will be fixed. Now you see f dot add b1. That means in the frame, the button is added. So this is the simplest program of the what? This is the simple program in which the button is added. The button is added. What? The button is added in the our frame. Okay. So we will see it to a program that how it can be done. We will see that through a program. So we will see it through a program like So, okay, we will see the running it. Okay, through running it, I will see you. I will show you how this can be done. So first we will write the code. Now we are doing what? We are doing the swing programming. We are doing some swing programming. So that's why we have to write import what? We have already seen that for here we have to use the package java x dot swing dot start. That means all classes is important. Now I will write what name first swing program first swing program, then public static void and swings. First I am writing the code, after that I will discuss it. Okay. So now you see the first I have used the swing program. I have do using the swing program. You see first what I have done. First I have imported the swing package. Imported the swing package in our program so that we can use the methods. So can we use the methods of this swing class? So here you can see in the main method, under this main method, what I have used. I have used that the frame I have used here in our swing. I have told that in swing we use frame. We use the name Jframe. So that's why you can see Jframe F equal to new Jframe. That means our frame class object is created. Then we create the buttons object. Now here the name will be J button B equal to new J button. And in this button, the level will be click. So here you can see the level is shown as the click. Then B, what is B? B is the button. Button dot set bounds means the button position. This will what? Button's position will be fixed because we are calling set bound methods using buttons object. So through this, the button position will be fixed. After the button's position of the fixed, what? Now we have to add the button to the frame. So that's why you can see the frame class object we are calling add method, and this add method we are passing button class object. So that means what? That means our button is now added to the frame. And then set size, already I have told that what the set size method do. Set size method will set the size of the window side will be fixed. There will be two parameters, int height and int width. These two parameters will be sent. So that's how we are sending. In case of int width, I am sending 200. So the width will be the 200, height will be the 300. And then frame layout. You can see frame class object, we are calling the set layout. And in the set layout, we are passing null. So already I have said that if we pass null, then the default layout will be chosen. What is the Java's default layout? We know that default layout is the flow layout. Means one by one, it will be added in the what? It will be one by one added. The flow layout. Remember the concept? It will be the default of the default is the flow layout. And through set visible. Set visible means it is visible. Our frame is what? Our frame will be visible or not, using making the frame visible. If we use false, then the frame will not be visible. If we use true, that means our frame will be visible. So if we can compile it, we can look there. It will be looks like this. Clear? समझ में आया? अंकिता भैया.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So we will see another. We will see another. If we use the using the swing program. That if in this case, if we use that, we can also use it in the constructor, where that means we can also write the codes creating Jframe, JButton, and the method call inside the Java constructor. This can be written like this also, that in this case, if we do this using a constructor like will be done through the constructor way. Now we can see that this program is also done. We can also do it, but we can also write the code of it, creating the Jframe, button and the method. All these methods are calling inside the Java constructor. You see, this is the constructor. This is the name and this is the constructor. You can see this is the constructor. We are calling inside this constructor. So inside this constructor, all methods we can call and we can perform like this also, that calling inside the Java constructor. You can see here what we are doing. We are calling the constructor. So that's how it can also be done. Okay. So this is the another way. And we can also inherit. We can also inherit the Jframe class. We can also, by doing the inheritance of the Jframe class, we can also do it. We can also do it using inheriting the Jframe class. So in that case, you can see what we have to do. If we use to extending the Jframe class, In that case, you can see what we will do. We will extend, means using the inheritance, we will perform that. So extend Jframe. So we are extending the Jframe class. So here there is no need for object creation. See, see, first, missed some things. Some text. So some exception is showing. today I will not able to show it because the time will end it. In next class, I will discuss about it. Okay. So exception is throwing means we have to use some try catch block. The statements that are throwing exceptions, we should use it in the try catch block. Today I will not able to show you because time will end it soon. So in next class I will show it to you. Okay. So thank you everyone.